Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. All right, y'all, we're going to do something. I don't think I ever did chicken wings. It's been a while since I did chicken wings in the air fryer. Y'all know I've been doing this food show kick stuff, trying to show y'all what I'm going to do with all this items I got from a food show I recently went to. And today I'm doing some, I'm going to call them lemon peppered buffalo wings. I got this from a food show a couple of years ago. I didn't get this recently. Some lemon pepper, this bulk lemon pepper. But this I got from the food show last week. Sweet Baby Ray's wing sauce. So what I'm gonna do some. I got these chicken wings, $7 at ATB. I saw them on sale. I guess they was on sale. How many we got here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. Got a baker's dozen right there, y'all. 13 chicken wings. Can you get 13 chicken wings at these wing places? Y'all know how I feel about these wing places, these wing stops and Buffalo Wild Wings. That's the biggest ripoff in the world. People go in there be buying them one wing, $2 or $3 for one wing. Never. There's some places I'm very adamant about. You would never, ever, ever, ever see me buying wings from those places. You'll never see me in those places, because I refuse to pay that much money for a chicken wing. I've been cooking so many years. I know how much wings cost, and you should not charging people $3 for chicken. That's one of my pet peeves, y'all, those places. God help them. They making money. All people just don't know any different, I guess. So anyway, back to the video at hand. I got this already seasoned. I seasoned it with some salt and pepper. Matter of fact, I like to season my wings at least 3 or 4 hours before. That's why they already seasoned. All I got on here is some salt and pepper, some cavenders Greek seasoning, and of course, lemon pepper. I got my, I'm gonna cook them in my air fryer here for 30 minutes. I'm gonna do 15 minutes on each side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spray my little pan here. We'll see if we can get them all in my air fryer, my bucket here. And I'm gonna cook them on about 370. I'm gonna do the skin side up first. And we're gonna spray the skin side up. And then we're gonna turn them over. And we're gonna do the other side for 15 minutes. So what I'm doing, 15 minutes, y'all, on each side. That's what I'm doing. That right there. Alrighty. See if we get them all in there nicely here. Burn my hand the next time they come out. I sometimes forget how hot this air fryer get. Okay, we're gonna spray them here. Like you do all the stuff you put in the air fryer, you're gonna get a little spray on them. Put them in here. Plug it up, Chef Jeffrey. Plug it up, Chef Jeffrey. Should already have it set. Turn that on. I got it set 350, see, 370 for 30 minutes. So 15 minutes, I'm gonna kind of keep an eye on it. 15 minutes, we'll come back and we'll open it up and we'll turn it over. But in the meantime, be right back. Let me show you, I'm gonna make the sauce here. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back. I love this little air fryer. You can barely hear it cooking. You can barely hear it cooking, y'all. That's that Ace Cool. I had about a couple of years ago, I did a old school soul food deal of the week on this. I think you can get it for like $50. It was an amazing deal. A lot of people hopped on it. It was like 50%, 40 to 50% off with all the discounts. A lot of people hopped on that deal. So anyway, let me, hold on, y'all. Gotta do a little maintenance here. Little maintenance cleanup right quick, y'all, before I forget it. Okay, hold on, y'all. Let me clean this right quick. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna pour this in here all together. Okay, let me zoom in here so y'all can see what I'm doing. All I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna pour this buffalo wing sauce already. It's easy peasy right here. Buffalo, I like a lot of sauce on my wings, y'all. I don't know about y'all. Now, how easy is this? Buffalo sauce, little lemon pepper. That's why they call lemon pepper buffalo wing. Turn that on. Get my Get my whisk here. We're gonna bring that up to a boil. Not even to a boil, just to a simmer. And that sauce is ready. How easy is that, huh? How easy is that? So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, we're gonna turn this off. Like I say, nothing to it. I just like the sauce to be hot when I toss it with the wings. And that's it. All we're gonna do is wait on my, what is it looking like over here? What is it looking like? 24 minutes in. Took me 5 minutes to do that sauce. A lot of work, y'all. So anyway, we'll be back when it gets to 15 minutes. We'll turn these over and we'll spray the other side. It'll be wings, 30 minutes. Be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all, it's about 15 minutes into the process. We're actually 16, but give or take a minute. Now, we're gonna take this. See how pretty these are, y'all. Pretty those chicken wings are. Now, got a nice color on them. And like I said, all we're gonna do, be very careful. I learned these the hard way. Ask me how I know. Be very careful turning these over. Do not touch the sides of this container, or it will light you up. You're gonna turn these over. Just like that. Put this right here. We're gonna get our spray here. We're gonna spray the other side. Really, really good. Throw them back in here and let them finish cooking. How easy is that, y'all? How easy is that, y'all? So anyway, we'll be back when the 15 minutes is up. I got my bowl right here. We're gonna put them in the bowl, throw that sauce on there, let them toss them. And I like to let them sit in that sauce, y'all, and let them just soak up that sauce. Oh my God, I can't wait, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, there's the bell and the whistle. Get my bowl here, let me show y'all. Look at that, crispy. Nice and crispy there. Look at those chicken wings. That's what you want. And what 30 minutes in the air fryer does you, 15 minutes on each side. Okay, y'all, like I told y'all, I'm gonna put them in my bowl here. And we're gonna throw that sauce on them. Oh my goodness, y'all. Goodness, goodness, goodness. All right. A nice sauce we made here. Let me give it a little stir around. I'll toss it around there a little. We're gonna pour that sauce right on top of that. All that in there. Got enough? Get my spatula here. Make sure we get it all out. Get all that sauce out of there. All that sauce out of there, Chef Jeffrey. All right. All right, y'all. Gonna toss this around. Like I said, I'm gonna let this sit in the sauce for about 10 or 15 minutes. After it's set in the sauce 10 or 15 minutes, and I'm gonna take it out. We're gonna put it in our plate. And when we come back, oh my God, I like this. Look at that, y'all. That's a goodness there. And when we come back, I'm gonna have it already plated up. Done did my world famous YouTube thumbnail. And we're gonna see how that lemon pepper go with that hot wing sauce. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we're back. It's a quick meal, y'all. Quick meal, easy meal. Took 30 minutes, but hey, wasn't a lot of work, 30 minutes. Look at this here, y'all. Lemon pepper buffalo wings. $7. I ain't even have to buy the sauce for it. $7. When you go to a wing place and get these many wings for $7. Anyway, y'all, I like the flats. I don't know if y'all flats or drums or even tips. Look at that. How that glaze on there, y'all. Oh my God. Cut them open here so y'all can see how. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Come on, go in here. All right, wing. Look at the juice that wing, man. I'm sorry. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna dip this in the blue cheese. Yes, sir. On the drink. I eat blue cheese with my wings. I'm not a ranch guy. Now look. That's all they give me. I'll eat it. I'm gonna show you this. Keeping it classy. Somebody out there doubt me. I got some doubters out there. That ain't done. That's done, y'all. We always got the haters. And they gotta shake the haters off. Lemon, oh my God, it's so good. Look at that. Learn to keep it classy. You know, when you eat chicken wing, it's hard to keep it classy. We need about 20 napkins before you finish a dozen chicken wings. So anyway, I just want to show y'all what I did for my another food show item with the lemon pepper, which I got a few years ago, and then the buffalo wing sauce I got last week. That's good eating. Good eating. Anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, TikTok, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2025. It's great to be alive. It's even better to be living. Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day. And I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.